Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing clean data, labels in one column and numeric values beside them, because Excel builds slices from numbers. Once done, remove blanks and zeros so slices reflect meaningful proportions, and make sure headers are present if you want automatic legend names. Now select the exact data range, headers and cells together, so Excel recognizes categories. This first step matters. Proper selection controls slice labels, percentages, and the legend, and prevents manual relinking later when you edit the chart. You now insert the pie. Go to Insert, choose Pie Chart, and pick a 2D or 3D style. 2D is usually clearer for percentage reading. Once placed, add data labels and select value, percentage, or category depending on your goal. Percentages show proportion, values show magnitude. Then customize slices. Explode a slice to highlight it, apply distinct colors, and sort slices largest to smallest so visual hierarchy is obvious. These choices improve comprehension and make comparisons immediate. You finish by polishing. Adjust label position and font size, and move the legend so the chart remains uncluttered. Readable labels are essential. For stylistic control, open Format Data Series to rotate the start angle or convert to a donut by changing whole size. If numbers look wrong, make sure your cells are numeric, not text, and force recalculation. Often Excel treats numbers as text, skewing totals. Finally, save a copy and export, or paste the chart into your report.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.